Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of text-to-speech on your Mac. Whether you want to have articles read aloud, proofread documents with a fresh perspective, or simply enjoy a hands-free reading experience, your Mac can be your trusty companion. So, let's explore the various methods and customization options available to make your Mac read text to you, making it a versatile tool for many users. There are several built-in ways to have your Mac read text to you, and they're all quite straightforward. Let's start with the first method, which works regardless of your system settings. You can use this method on web pages, text documents, emails, and more. All you need to do is select the text you want to read, just as you would when copying or formatting it. Once you have made your selection, go to the Edit menu and look for the Speech option. From there, choose Start Speaking. Once you have initiated text-to-speech, you have control over which voice is used. To access these voice settings, navigate to System Preferences and then select Accessibility. From there, click on Spoken Content. Here, you can choose from a variety of voices, categorized by country and even Siri voices. You can test them using the Play Sample button. Adjust the speaking rate if it's too slow or fast, and control the volume relative to your system's volume. If you find yourself using text-to-speech frequently, you can set up keyboard shortcuts for even quicker access. To do this, go to System Preferences, then Keyboard and select Keyboard Shortcuts. Under App Shortcuts, click the plus button, enter Start Speaking, exactly as shown in the menu, and assign a keyboard shortcut of your choice. You can also create one for Stop Speaking. You might notice that if you don't select specific text and initiate text-to-speech, it will start reading everything it encounters, including menus and navigation buttons. However, you can easily avoid this by using Reader View. Press Shift plus Command plus R to activate Reader View in Safari or a similar shortcut in other browsers. Then, use your keyboard shortcut or the Edit menu to have an article or content within Reader View read aloud. Another way to use text-to-speech is to enable the Speak Selection option in System Preferences under Accessibility and Spoken Content. This option allows you to select text, right-click, and choose Speak from the context menu, or use the keyboard shortcut option plus Escape to have the selected text read aloud. You can customize how the content is highlighted and change text-to-speech settings to your preference. If you want even more control and flexibility, you can create custom shortcuts using the Shortcuts app. You can set up a shortcut to speak text with specific voice settings and save the spoken text as an audio file. This allows you to store and reuse the audio as needed, making it an excellent choice for creating your audiobooks or voice memos. Beyond reading articles and documents, text-to-speech can significantly boost your productivity. Consider this: you can have emails, meeting notes, or lengthy reports read aloud to you while you focus on their task. Plus, text-to-speech can help you catch typos and grammatical errors in your own writing. It is a fantastic proofreading tool. Simply paste your text into a document, use the Start Speaking command, and listen for any mistakes or awkward phrasing. In summary, your Mac provides various ways to have text read aloud to you, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of tasks, from proofreading to enjoying content hands-free. Experiment with these methods to find the one that best suits your needs, whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys multitasking. Text-to-speech can be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find this tutorial useful for enhancing your Mac experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Your Mac is more capable than you might think, and we are here to help you unlock its full potential. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials, and until next time, let your Mac do the talking. Whether it's for productivity or leisure, text-to-speech can be your Mac's voice in a world of text.